Hello! Today's video is about Ilert mobile app and how to create maintenance windows on the go. This feature allows you to keep your alert sources quiet when your systems are under maintenance. Start by tapping the menu button in the top left corner. Navigate to the Maintenance Windows section. Find the plus button at the bottom left. Fill in the summary and message fields. Then, choose a period for your maintenance. Select all alert sources or choose specific ones. You can also choose different notification settings. For example, you might want to notify subscribers about the planned maintenance immediately. When ready, tap Done at the top right corner of the screen. You have successfully created a maintenance window on the mobile app. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Ilert YouTube channel to see other product tutorials.